Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to visualize data using the tree map or the tree analysis of a graph. Before that, first understand the concept of drill down and drill up. This is the concept of breaking down our data to reach the absolute depth. Is called as the drilling down. For creating tree map or the tree hierarchy, we need to first create the hierarchy of the data. So, how to create this hierarchy? Let's first understand. Before that, first I am connecting to my CSV file. Text file. The file name is this order.csv. Then this file is here. Then go to sheet 1. First I am renaming this sheet. The sheet name is tree analysis of a product. Click on OK. First here I am first creating the hierarchy of the product data. So how this hierarchy is created? Here you will see the product subcategory. Drag this product subcategory onto the product category. Type the name is product because here I am creating the root directory or the root product. Again drag this product name from this to product. Here you will see you will see the hierarchy of the product. Create same for ordered. Drag this ordered on ordered ID. Type the name is order because I want to create the ordered hierarchy. Here you will see the again ordered hierarchy. Now what I want to do, I want to perform the tree analysis of the product. So I am just dragging this product from dimensions to the row field. Here just click on OK. Then I am dragging these cells onto the column field. Here you will see this simple bar graph. Actually I am putting over here all this. You will see the simple bar graph. Now for a tree, for converting this simple bar graph onto the tree map, just select tree map onto this show me area. Just select the here tree map on show me and click on the show me. Here you will see the tree analysis of our product. Here the product subcategory is office machine, the total sale, again the second, third. Likewise you see the product category and the sale of that category. So this is overall all about the tree map. So again, if you want to show the product category or product name, so just drag this and put it over here. So actually it will create complicated tree map. So just leave it. So this is the final answer. Thank you.